Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, let me welcome you to the channel for the very first time. My friends at Malacasa Dinnerware were kind enough to send me a beautiful set of porcelain cereal bowls. This 6-piece square set of cereal bowls has a beautiful fluted detail edge. They are so pretty, and they're a dead-on match for my dinnerware. These bowls are freezer, dishwasher, microwave, and oven safe up to 464 degrees Fahrenheit. Very durable and chip resistant. I'm telling you, they will upgrade your everyday dinnerware look or are perfect for a beautiful tablescape. So I'm going to feature them in my tablescape today. Beautiful. Today I'm participating in the Summer Yellow Tablescape collab, hosted by Marlene's How-Tos, Deborah Cabasa at Penny's Place, and J Mom Creations. Links to their channels as well as the playlist will be in my description box below. So today's tablescape, I'm using a citrus theme. And I'm coming in with shades of yellow and green. So I'm using those kitchen towels as my runner. And then I'm coming in with some beautiful shimmery green placemats. On top of those green placemats, I'm gonna come in with my beautiful Malacasa Dinnerware. On top of that, I'm going to put a Dollar Tree lemon saucer and then my matching Malacasa bowls. And I think they look just beautiful. And this is a nice beginning to our tablescape. But I felt that it didn't have enough yellow. So I came back in with some yellow lemon slice napkins that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I laid them underneath my place setting. Next, I'm coming in with a beautiful set that I got from the flea market. This is made of onyx, super heavy, and it has the matching vase and coasters. Green glassware that I thrifted. I'm gonna come in next with some lemons because this is a yellow citrus table, honey. So you gotta have lemons. Lemon, salt and pepper shakers, and some small lemon dishes on top of which I'm gonna put some white candles. I have yellow napkins with green DIY napkin rings. And to complete my table, I'm coming in with some beautiful ferns that grow wild in my backyard. And there we have it, our beautiful yellow and green citrus themed tablescape. And I hope you enjoyed it. Now enjoy the reveal. Please make sure you stop by our host channels and show them some love and let them know that Amethyst sent you. And if you liked today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. It's free, it's quick, and honey, it's easy. Just go ahead and click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now, in case you haven't heard, Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor channel and myself, Amethyst Adventures, are hosting our own collab. We call it Sophisticated Saturdays. Create a DIY or decorate any area of your home with a classy, sophisticated, elegant vibe. Hashtag Sophisticated Saturdays. Hashtag the Ladies of Elegance. Our next collab will be July the 9th at 6 p.m. Our theme for this month is Christmas in July. So come on out and join us. We would love to have you. Thank you again for watching, and I hope this video gives you inspiration. Until next time.